Welcome, guys. So, my name is Vin Evangelista. So, welcome to our first uh, video training. So, if you are new sa Chantal family, so welcome. And if you are matagal na member ng ating Chantal family, then you are just restarting or nag-start ka ulit ngayon, welcome sa ating first training video. And I'm so excited na i-share sa inyo ang information and content ng training video na ito para makatulong sa inyo to have immediate and the fastest way possible na to get a result dito sa ating business. Okay? So without further ado, let me share my screen first. Okay. Share. All right. Okay, present. Okay. Alright. So yun guys, welcome ulit sa ating first video. Ito yung ating first video sa ating gagawing video training session. So on this video guys, ituturo namin sa inyo yung mga we will give you the proper expectation, and throughout the series ng ating training, we will help you and we will guide you. And I hope na this training, and I know this training, ay makakatulong sa inyo to get immediate and fast result in building your business dito sa Shantan. By the way, my name again is Ben Evangelista. So let me introduce myself. Um, I'm the youngest leader dito sa ating business, which is yung Santal Direct Sales. And I'm the one of the founder ng Exchange. So Exchange is a professional organization na to help newbies sa ating business to jumpstart their business and para makatulong sa kanila, no? So short story lang guys, back then when I was starting, talagang one of my greatest challenge is yung hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. So parang I'm just go over the places, getting knowledge, at kung ano-ano pinag-aaralan. So good news guys, we're able to build this organization para bigyan kayo ng step-by-step trainings, bigyan kayo ng knowledge to become strong and independent leader na para hindi na kayo masyado maguluhan. Okay? So next, our vision is to expand up to 48 countries in Asia. So yan yung pinaka-big in Audacious School natin is to expand 48 countries in Asia, at hindi lang sa Asia, is sa Europe din at sa US. Okay? So next naman, one of our goal is to build 1,000 leaders sa ating organization. So kung napapanood mo tong video na to, congrats sa'yo. You are one of the 1,000 leaders na magiging independent at i-build natin to become strong and independent leader. Okay? So our first crucial conversation. Okay? As a coach, even though na ito ay isang online training, virtual training, we are entering to the relationship of trust. And I call on this trust multiple times. So, naniniwala ako dito guys na kaya kayo nandito is because of trust sa akin or kung sino man yung inyong direct sponsor. And, okay, wait lang. Medyo nalobat yung ating ano. Okay, yun. Okay. So, yan. So, naniniwala ako na kaya kayo nandito because you have a trust into your direct sponsor. And I hope guys na you also trust this training session, this training series, na it will really help you to grow your business and to get the fast result at immediate result para sa sarili nyo. And it can really help you to duplicate yourself and to help others. Okay? So, back then, one sa mga lesson ko sa trust is that before, naniniwala kasi ako without trust, we don't take action. So before, I don't trust the system. Okay? So based on my own experience, if we don't trust, most likely we don't take action. So napaka-important guys na you put your trust on this training that it can really help you to build and to get a quick result possible in your organization. Okay? So uh, one of the expectation na gusto namin ibigay sa inyo is the more you show up with effort, the more that we will pour into you. Okay? So, back then, when I was starting, so I show up on trainings, I do my best. Okay? Kung ano yung sinabi sa akin ng direct sponsor ko, ginagawa ko. Until such time na nakita nila yung effort ko. Okay. Doon nila ako mas pinag-focusan. Doon nila mas tinuon yung attention nila sa akin. Okay. So, katulad din lang din nun guys, the more na we see that you show up sa training, you keep on learning, effort, and you really did your best, even though without quick result, the more na we will put our support financially, okay, intellectual, and all of the knowledge na kailangan nyo to build the organization, okay? So, ayun lang guys, the more effort, the more that you show up, the more that we will put ourselves or the more we will give the support na kailangan nyo sa business, okay? So, in my experience then, we only experience frustration when expectations are not met. Okay, so based on my experience, guys, one of the main reason once why people quit the business because of the frustration. And it happens, yung frustration, if yung expectation natin is hindi nag-meet doon sa expectation natin sa business. Okay? Kaya ngayon, sa gagawin nating first video today, we will get aligned, okay, with all of your expectation sa business and sa opportunity, okay? So first of all, if you're newbie dito sa ating business, congratulations. Congratulations because you made a decision to build a business dito sa Chantal and to make a difference, okay? We are so glad kasi kasama namin kayo sa business even though hindi man ako yung direct sponsor nyo. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami and we congratulate you for starting a business dito sa Shandal. Okay. So one of our goal para sa iyo this week, this month, is that you become an independent, strong independent leader as soon as possible. Okay, maging independent ka from your upline o kung ako man yung direct sponsor mo is maging independent ka. So one of our goals is to reach millions of customer for the next following years. So para mangyari yun, kailangan natin ng mga strong and independent leaders. And if you don't agree with that, I think you need to go to other leaders, no? So I just want to give you a proper expectation because merong mga leaders na they say na you just need to buy the product monthly, you just need to invite and they are the one who will do all the presentation, lahat, sila daw bahala lahat. So, dito guys, just to give you a proper expectation, we want you to become a strong and independent leader. Okay? So, no worries, ibibigay namin sa inyo all of the knowledge na kailangan nyo to become a strong and independent leader. Okay, and if you agree to that idea, please let us know. Okay, so if you do accept this as also your goal sa sarili mo to become a strong and independent leader, just send us a message para malaman din namin and send us the message na ganito, I will become an independent and strong leader. Okay. So yeah, just send us a message and let us know. Okay. So okay, success loves speed. So there is a saying that ignorance on fire is better than knowledge in ice. Okay, ano ba ibig sabihin yan? So, tayo, in ordinary setting in school, we are taught we need to go to elementary, high school, college, and after that, we will land a job. Okay? So dito, the good thing about this business, uh, as we go all the way, as we go building the business, we learn along the way. So, hindi nyo kailangan malaman lahat ng bagay. Okay? Mas importante na you take action and start learning along the way and building result so that you are able to also help others to start and to build result for them for themselves. So napaka-importante dito guys to take action. Hindi nyo kailangan malaman ang lahat. But along the way, ituturo din naman namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat nyo malaman. Okay? So, almost everything you will ask to act before you feel ready. So, to be honest guys, ngayon, I'm not feel ready to record this video. Pero, yan, we will ask you, we will encourage you that almost every time you will ask to act before you feel ready. Um, for example, we have a Zoom call and you're asked to start to become a host. So even though you're not ready, we encourage you to take action. Okay, so para mas mag-grow din kayo to become a strong independent leader. So, okay. So now, if you're ready for that, please send us a message also and send this to your direct sponsor. O kung ako man yung direct sponsor nyo, send me a message that I am willing to feel uncomfortable and take action before become ready. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-principle natin dito is to take action before before we become ready. Okay. So I just want to ask you guys, so do you want to grow fast or average? So we can either choose both. We can either choose fast or average, but we don't encourage you guys to take it slow because success loves speed. Okay. So just let us know if you want to grow fast or average because may iba't iba kasing training yan guys. If you want to go fast, may other na bagay na dapat gagawin to become fast. And if you want to become average, may iba rin na dapat na gagawin. So we don't want to pressure you guys. We just want you to work based on your own pace. Okay? So we really care for you and we really trust you. So by any chance, kung ano yung mas feel yung comfortable kayo, gusto nyo fast or average, just let us know para alam din natin kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat natin gagawin. Okay. So now, ask yourself, okay? So dito kasi, along the way, okay, ituturo din namin sa inyo kung how you will find yung why that makes you cry. Okay, ito yung isa sa mga natutunan ko. So one of my mentor, Eric Worre, that you need to know your why that makes you cry. So it will help you dun sa mga difficult times while building the business. So if if you experience discouragement, okay, so napakalaking bagay na alam natin yung why natin so that hindi tayo basta-basta mag-quit and we really learn and we really do our best dito sa business, okay? So for this, we just need to, for the first month of your business, you just need to know ano yung why mo for this month, okay? So you can do this. Isend nyo lang din sa amin, send us also a message ano yung why nyo this month. Okay, pwede nyo itong gamitin yung template na to. I'm launching my Chantal business this month so that either you can earn extra money, 10,000, 5,000, 1,000 a month, or you just want to be part of the community ng X-Surge, or you just want to spread yung ating goal na to become healthy, okay? Now, your comfort zone. So one of the lie sa buhay is that only do what you love and you don't have to work the rest of your life. Okay, so halimbawa guys sa mga athlete, okay? So sila, they have a strict diet, they drink or eat more carbohydrate to have more energy, they exercise. So to become successful in business natin dito sa Chantal, we need to get out of our comfort zone. Okay? So we will encourage you guys na you need to get out of your comfort zone in order for you to succeed in this business. Halimbawa, kung mahiyain ka, start working on your self and then learn. Okay? And please, we encourage you guys na mag-aral, no? Okay, so now, so mostly siguro sa inyo, um, after a month, you decided to quit or baka nga mas maaga pa sa 1 month. So just let us know how we can respond if you feel like you want to quit. Because may mga tao na they just want to become silent. They start na not to show up sa mga trainings, not replying to the message ng mga upline nila. So if you type of person na gusto niyo lang maging silent, to have a moment sa sarili niyo, just let us know. Then if you want naman to become, if you want us naman na maging responsive, for example, i-message namin kayo to remind of your goal, to enlighten you, to ipaalala sa inyo kung bakit kayo nandito sa business na to. Just let us know para kami rin alam namin how we will respond to you, kung how we will respond to you if you feel like you want to quit. Okay, because we really care about you and ayaw namin na um, ayaw namin na maano kayo, tawag dyan, yung ma-feel nyo na we will make you do the things na masyadong uncomfortable sa inyo. Okay? Okay. So the power of decision. So the meaning of the word decision is came from the Latin word decidir, which comes from the combination of the word di, means off, and kadir means cut. So it's time to, guys, we encourage you to cut off all the options. So this is the time that you will cut off all of the options. Okay? So hindi nyo lang to gagawin yung business na to just to try if it works. But you will do this business because it will until it works for you. So hindi nyo lang to gagawin kasi gusto nyo mag-try. But I encourage you, kung gusto nyo mag-succeed sa ganitong business, is that you will have the mindset na you will do your best, you will do whatever it takes, you will do whatever it takes until it works for you. So I just want to share you a story about a group of soldier na pumunta sa isang isla. Din nakita nila na outnumbered sila 10x, na mas marami yung group nung kalaban nilang army. So nangyari niyan ng captain nakapag-decide to burn the boats. So wala na silang option to escape. Okay? So nangyari niyan, good thing, alam niyo nangyari, nanalo sila. Alam niyo bakit? So they have the mindset na they either die or they succeed. So I want to emphasize enough, guys, na talagang kasi before, ito yung isa sa mga bagay na talagang lucky. Okay? Ito yung isa sa mga rason kung bakit hindi tayo nagsasucceed. Because we don't have this decision to cut up all the option. And because iba yung magiging mindset natin kapag iniisip natin na we don't have other option but to do whatever it takes until it works for us. So, mag-iba yung action nyo, mag-iba yung mindset mo, at more likely, mas magsasucceed ka sa business. Okay. So ngayon guys, gusto ko lang share sa inyo yung expectation nyo once you are in the team or in the organization ng Xsearch. So dito meron tayong binigay na structured way, step-by-step process kung paano from zero to hero to achieve your first goal income per month. So first, you need to rewatch yung business presentation. Okay? So gusto lang namin sa inyo na mas hindi nyo man kailangan siyang i-master, pero gusto lang namin sa inyo na panoorin nyo ulit yung presentation para mas maging familiar kayo about sa company, sa history, sa products, and doon sa ating compensation plan na which is isa rin sa mga reason aside from the product is naniniwala kayo na meron tayong strong compensation plan na maganda na nakakatulong para makapagkaroon tayo ng residual income pagdating ng araw. Okay? So next, what is step 2 is that watch the placing order and dropshipping website walkthrough training. So one of the unique dito sa ating business is yung business natin is hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng worth 200, 300 products para lang makapagbenta. So dito, 100% online, 100% hassle-free na hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking inventory to start. Okay? So what will happen? So kailangan mo lang kumuha ng maraming orders, ibabato yun sa company, then the company will deliver and they pack and deliver the item para sa iyo. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-pack, hindi mo na kailangan na magkaroon ng on-hand products. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to get a customer, then yun na yung ang company na magdi-deliver. Okay. Next is to watch or to take our new distributor orientation. So guys, itong step 3, isa siya sa mga napaka-importante, no? Napaka-simple lang ng training, pero yet ito yung pinaka-importante na training na kailangan mo ma-attendan. Kasi dito, pag nakapunta ka ng training na to, isa rin to sa mga magdi-determine ng success rate mo dito sa business. Kaya napaka-importante, bago mo panoorin yung series of training ng video natin, is makapag-take ka muna ng ating NDO. Next, step 4, itong Jumpstart Training Series natin. Ito yung first video at meron pang mga following training video na papanoorin mo para makatulong sa iyo to get immediate result and fast result as soon as possible dito sa business natin sa Shundan. Okay? So next, step 5, pipeline sales training. So once nakuha mo na lahat or nakuha mo na yung mga first result mo, you need to scale up. To scale up, you need a management system which is yung pipeline sales training na ituturo namin sa inyo. So, hindi na muna namin masyadong i-detalye, no? Pero napaka-importante rin ito guys to manage your business dahil dito sa training na to, malalaman mo o mapipredict mo kung ano yung mga magiging result mo for the next coming month. So, napaka-importante niya. Next, step 6, mastery, 6 key skill and network marketing. Ano ba yung 6 skills na kailangan meron ka? Prospecting, inviting, presentation, closing, follow-up, next duplication. Diba? Yun yung mga importanteng skills na dapat meron tayo. So, yan, ituturo din natin yan. Meron din tayong training para dyan. Next, product training. So, napaka-importante rin dadalo tayo ng product training, guys. Although meron tayong mga doctors and consultant, nutritionists na pwede natin mapagtanungan, pero maganda rin on hand or sa atin sa sarili natin, alam natin yung mga product para once na may immediate answer, question, meron din tayong immediate answer. Okay? So, next, supplementary trainings. So, kumbaga, parang sa isang building, di ba, merong mga poste. Okay. Pero matatag siya, pero kailangan pa rin natin ng walls, paints, tiles, furniture. So yan ang supplementary trainings natin guys. In order for us to really mold ourselves to become strong and independent leader. Diba? kailangan natin ng supplementary training. So, dyan siya ituturo. So, yun yung step-by-step process natin. So, just to give you a weekly routine or expectation once naging part na kayo ng organization, meron tayong key skills training mastery every week, supplementary training every week. So, 2 trainings tayo per week. And then, meron tayong accountability and goal setting session every week para makapag-goal set tayo at ma-review natin yung mga actions na ginawa natin. And for the next coming weeks, ay mas makapag-take action tayo. So yun guys, I'm so excited at napakasaya, napaka-exciting nakasama ka sa ating first 1,000 leader na mag-expand for 48 countries. And I hope and naniniwala ako sa iyo na kaya mo to. And after this video, take action and then watch the another video. So yun lang guys, kita-kits tayo sa ating next training.